Without repair, with repair. Hello guys, if you want to clean your audio or remove unwanted background noise from your audio in Premiere Pro, then this tutorial is for you. Let's see the noise in this clip.
Mr. Z,
Yes.
where are you going now?
You can see that there is a lot of noise in this clip, so to remove it, simply go to Windows, Workspace and go to Audio. Next, in your Essential Sound setting, click on Dialog, then from the presets choose Clean Up Noisy Dialog. It will automatically check these three and give them some values. Play the clip to listen to the sound.
Mr. Z,
Yes.
where are you going now?
Without repair
Which ice cream would you like to
I
eat?
think I'm gonna hit them.
and with repair settings on.
Alright.
You can clearly listen to the difference, but still it is not totally clean.
Will I be
Now,
getting some ice cream?
Yes, you will.
you can increase your reduce noise a little more
I'll be
to clean the
sad.
audio.
My money is gone.
You can give all the way till 10, but I will not recommend it as it will also gonna affect the quality of.
Here we are.
So let's go it for 60 from 3 to 6, and since it was a car shot, if I come here and play this
Chocolate
side,
one or the vanilla one?
No. I'm
there is some
Will I
rumble
be
too,
getting
so I
some
will
ice
increase it to
cream?
6.
you will. From Baba's money, not from my money.
As far as the D's is concerned, I think so a 4 will be better. Now,
No, you cannot spend your dollar.
without repair, with repair. You can see how much you have cleaned your audio. Plus one more thing, sometimes I like to turn up this option a little bit. I like to increase the sound from here because the audio becomes less when I am cleaning it. So play it again.
Mr. Z,
Yes.
where are you going now?
Ice cream.
Which ice cream would you like to
I
eat?
think I'm gonna hit them most expensive.
Alright.
This
The,
one.
the chocolate one or the vanilla with
No,
chocolate?
I'm good.
So guys, this is how easily you can clean your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro.